Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the KEDSUM upgraded folding hand truck, a versatile and heavy-duty foldable dolly cart designed to make your life easier with its impressive 600-pound load capacity and patent-pending design. This cart boasts a 90 degrees to 135 degrees adjustable handle angle, allowing you to find the perfect position for any task, and its handle can be adjusted to 3 different heights, ensuring comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a combination of 4 swivel wheels and 2 rigid wheels, along with 2 brake wheels, this cart provides exceptional stability and control, even on slopes, making it ideal for a variety of settings from airports to offices. Constructed with thickened iron and a durable plastic plate, the KEDSUM cart is built to last, offering a robust solution for moving heavy goods without the worry of shaking or instability. It also includes 2 zinc alloy buckle lashing straps, providing added security for your items, especially when transporting large boxes or heavy equipment. The extendable base plate design allows for larger loads, and when not in use, the cart conveniently folds for easy storage in tight spaces like car trunks or closets. Whether you're moving house, handling cargo, or simply need a reliable utility cart for daily tasks, the KEDSUM folding hand truck is your go-to solution for efficient and hassle-free transportation. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.